If I told you that there are legitimate apps where you can earn a few dollars from simple online tasks and in some cases cash out the same day. No, I am not talking about some get rich overnight scam. And if you are looking for apps that actually let you access your rewards quickly, you are going to want to hear about this. So hit the like button because by the end of this video, you will know which platforms are worth checking out, how daily payouts actually work, and most importantly, what you should avoid. Today, we are talking about daily payouts app in the US. Apps and platforms that can let you earn rewards from things like surveys, online tasks, offers, and other activities with payouts option that can be much faster than traditional reward programs. But listen carefully, daily payouts does not mean you are guaranteed to make $1,000, even $100 every day. There are no magic button that turns your phone into an ATM. Your earnings depend on your location, available tasks, your profile, how much time you spend, and whether you actually qualify for the opportunities. The goal of this video is simple. I want to show you some legitimate platforms worth researching and explain what realistic earnings can look like. And one quick note before we ask. Always check the correct age, location, payment, and eligibility requirements before creating an account. Some platforms have minimum age requirement and you should never lie about the age, location, or identity to qualify. So, number one platform is Qmee. Let's start with Qmee. Qmee is one of the more interesting options. If your biggest priority is being able to cash out quickly, according to Qmee's correct information, users in the United States can earn through surveys, cashback opportunities, and other activities. One of its biggest advantage is that it says there is no minimum cash out amount for PayPal or Venmo, meaning you does not necessarily have to wait until you reach $10, $20, or $50 before requesting a cashback. Qmee also says PayPal and Venmo withdrawals can arrive within minutes, although delays can sometimes happen because of banking hours, holidays, or system outside Qmee's control. So imagine you complete a couple of survey and end up with $3.50 instead of waiting weeks to reach a large threshold. A platform with no minimum cash out can be useful is fast access to small rewards is your priority. But here's the realistic check. 3.50 is still 3.50. You should not expect every survey to pay $10 or $20. Some surveys may pay more, some less, and sometimes you simply will not qualify. Also, Qmee's terms currently say users must be at least 16 and must be legally reside in one of its supported countries, including the United States. So always check the rules before signing up. So our number 2 is Freecash. Freecash is a platform where users can earn rewards by completing surveys, taxes, games, offers, or another activities. One reason people talk about it for fast payouts is that many withdrawal methods can progress quickly. According to Freecash correct support information, PayPal withdrawals can be available for $5 to $200 and most people withdrawals are progress quickly, although security checks can something delay them by up to around 30 minutes. Freecash also says bank transfers can take several business days. So instead payout depends heavily on which withdrawal method you choose. Here's a realistic example. Let's say you spend some free time completing a free legitimate task and earn $7. You may be able to reach the minimum needs for certain cash out methods and request your reward rather than waiting until you have $50. But don't get distanced by screenshot online showing huge earnings. Those example does not represent what everyone will make. Freecash itself says earnings depend on location, activity, and available offers. Freecash currently requires users to be at least 16. It also prohibits things like VPN use and false registration information. So never try bypass its verification or location rules. So our number 3 is branded service. Now let's talk about our branded survey. This is one of the more forced on paid surveys and market research. Your answer question based on your experience and opinions. In the United States, brand surveys currently says 500 points equally $5 and users can redeem for options including PayPal and for US restrictions bank transfer. But Qmee for instant daily cash. Branded survey says approved earnings are generally progressed within 1 to 3 business days. And that's an important distinction. There are three different things people often confuse. Earn today, request a payout today, receive the money today. Those are not always the same thing. So if you are building a list of apps that pay daily, always check the actually progress time, not just the worth cash. So our number 4 is the smart way to use these apps. Now this is important. If you want to use reward platforms responsibility, don't treat them like a full-time job. Think of them as a way to potentially earn a little extra money during spare time. For example, let's say you have 30 minutes available after school, work, or during a free afternoon. You might check whether there are surveys or tasks that fit your profile. Maybe you want $2 another day, $5. If you average even $3 a day, for 20 active days, that's $60. Not life-changing money, but it could cover a small subscription or another deals. The mistake is expecting $100 every single day from service and reward apps. Most legitimate platforms don't work that way. So, our number 5 is don't fall for instead $500 claims. Listen carefully because this can save you from wasting your time. If a video or website says download this app and instantly make $500, deposit money to unlock your earnings, pay $20 before you can withdraw $500, give us your password so we can release your payment. Stop. Those are major warning signs. Legitimate reward platforms generally explain how their earning system works, what the requirements are, and what the payouts rules are. You should never send someone your password, one-time verification code, or sensitively financial information just because they promise a huge payout. And never create multiplication accounts or fake information just to get more rewards. Platforms can detect successful activity and you could lose your account and your rewards. The daily payout reality here sometimes more people don't understand about daily payouts. A daily payout app does not necessarily mean you are going to receive money every single day. It usually means you have to respond a reward once you have the requirement. Think of it like this. Platform A. You earn $5 today, but the payout takes 3 business days. Platform B. You earn $5 today and you can request the payout today with progress potentially happening quickly. And the platform C. You earn $5 today but need $25 before you can withdraw. All three can be restricted as platforms where you can earn online, but they are very different experience. That's why payout speed, minimum withdrawal, payment method, and eligibility are more important than flashly earning claims. How much can you realistically make? Let's talk numbers. If you are completely new, don't start with the expensive of making $50 every day. A more sensible way to think about it is maybe $1 to $5 on the light day. Maybe $5 to $10 when there are better opportunities. One more important warning. Before using any earning platform, check its terms. Look at the minimum age. Look at the supported countries. Look at payout methods. Look at minimum withdrawals amount and progress times. And look at what information the platform asks you to provide. For example, Freecash currently says it requests users to be at least 16 and may require government-issued ID and a selfie for identity verification. That's not something you should try to bypass. Wait until you are eligible or use opportunities specifically designed for your age with a parent or guideline involvement where appropriate. the best strategy. If I were comparing this platform based specifically on the idea of daily payout, here's how I did think about them. Qmee stands out for its no minimum cash out feature and fast PayPal or Venmo payouts, subject to its rule and normal progress conditions. Freecash stands out for having multiplication earning categories and several fast payouts options. Although fees and progress times can vary by method, branded service is worth considering if you specifically like paid service, but its currently payout progress is generally measured in business days rather than guarantee same day by day cash. And remember, the best app is not necessarily that one with the biggest earnings screenshot. It's the one whose requirement, earnings opportunities, payouts method, and progress time actually fit you. If you are looking for legitimate platforms to research, Qmee, Freecash, and branded service are three names to investigate. But always check their correct rewards and available before joining because terms can change. And remember, never pay money just to unlock money. Never fake your information and never bypass age or identify requirement. If this video helped you understand how daily payouts app really work, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the video channel. Subscribe if you want more videos about legitimate ways to earn extra money online. And comment below which type of earning app do you want me to research next. Survey, cashback, gaming rewards, or something completely different. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one video.